EJB architecture, further details of the J2EE environment in Jakarta Enterprise Beans, EJB. Here you can see the further details of J2EE environment in EJB architecture. Here we are considering EJB 2.0 here with older version with this diagram. Here you can see client layer, browsers and web service client, application client container, and JMS clients are inside the client layer. JSP servlets, HTML are inside the web container, which is presentation layer. EJBs and MDB are in EJB container here. EJB container is in business logic layer. JDBC connectors are in data access layer, and RDBMSs and legacy applications are in data layer here. Client layer is in client, presentation layer, business logic layer, and data access layer are in the server. Data layer is in EIS. Here browser interacts with JSP, and the browser in the client layer interacts with JSP, and the JSP interacts with servlets in web container here. Servlets interacts with EJB in EJB container, and EJB interacts with JDBC and connector and other EJBs, and here JDBC is interacts with RDBMS, and here connectors, EJBs interacts with connector, and connector interacts with legacy application. Here browser interacts with JSP, and JSP interacts with servlet. Here browser interacts with HTML, and HTML interacts with servlets. Here web service client interacts with servlet, and servlets interacts with EJB. EJB interacts with other EJBs. Here RMI and IIOP client in application client container interacts with EJB, and EJB interacts with MDB, and EJB interacts with connector. Connector interacts with legacy application. Here JMS client interacts with JMS provider. JMS provider interacts with MDB. MDB interacts with EJBs, and connector interacts with legacy application. Now this is the end of my presentation. Thank you very much for watching it.